The Samsung Galaxy M30s sports a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity U display. The display has a 91% screen-to-body ratio and houses the front camera in a little U on the top. It also houses 3 cameras at the back. It has a 48-megapixel primary camera with an f2.0 aperture. The second is an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera for capturing wide-angle shots, and finally, we have a 5-megapixel depth-sensing camera for bokeh photos. It also has a night mode for shooting photos in low-lit conditions. The rear camera can shoot videos in 4K. For your selfie needs, the smartphone has a 16-megapixel selfie camera. It has an in-display flash to assist the front camera for low-light photos. For security, it has a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor and also supports face unlock from the front-facing camera. The Samsung Galaxy M30s runs on Android with Samsung's One UI overlaying it. For performance, it relies on the Exynos 9611 processor. The smartphone is available in 2 variants, 4GB RAM with 64GB storage and 6GB RAM with 128GB storage. It is available in 3 color options: Opal Black, Sapphire Blue and Pearl White. The Samsung Galaxy M30s is a dual nano SIM phone with both SIM slots supporting 4G. The 6000 mAh lithium polymer battery comes with 15-watt fast charging. The box includes the handset, power adapter, USB Type-C cable, quick starter guide and a SIM tray ejector. The Samsung Galaxy M30s comes with standard brand warranty.